Coinstore is thrilled to announce the launch of Ant Gold Rush, a brand new feature on its Telegram bot, designed to transform how you engage with digital rewards. Open the Coinstore Telegram bot and locate the Ant Gold Rush option at the bottom of the menu. Ready to earn some gold? Simply tap the Ant icon to start accumulating gold with ease. Mine up to 2,500 gold each time. Want to boost your earnings? Click on Earn Gold and complete rewarding tasks like daily check-ins, following Coinstore on social media, and inviting friends. Each task helps you stack up more gold. As you accumulate more gold, you'll level up. Hit level 2 and unlock the Quick Gold Rush feature for even faster gold earnings. Why keep the fun to yourself? Invite friends to join the Ant Gold Rush adventure, and you'll both score extra gold and rewards. For even greater rewards, bind your Coinstore account to your Ant Gold Rush profile and supercharge your gold earning experience. Join us at Coinstore and explore the Ant Gold Rush feature today. Start mining, earn gold, and enjoy the adventure. Happy mining with Coinstore.